Hey guys, I want to show you these pulleys. Here's one of the idlers. Okay, here's the other one. Quiet, right? But the funny thing is, I heard this one making a noise. But this one I didn't know was going out. And on the back of this it says Gates on the back of here. So, yep. A little FYI for you guys. Here's what I'm running with. It's what my Lincoln Continental had. Yep, we're going Continental. Most of these are for this van, the belt is a 4060872. If anybody wants to know that belt. For a Continental pulley, this is the idling pulley, which is a 49006. There's two of them. And then the tensioner is a Continental tensioner, which is 49245. Yep, all Continental on the van. Alright, now, let me get you guys set up. Maybe. Hopefully. We need to work on that. Come on, you piece of crap tripod. You're going to hit me in the head too, aren't you, you dumb light? There. Just stay. Be a good little Indian. Okay, I need to get my battery. I think I said what that was. That was supposed to be a T30. Just pop it up. Now you guys need to be lifted up out of the way. Make sure you guys still see what I'm seeing. There. Now, same T30 for the motor. And I need a ratchet. Quarter inch. There you are. The center bolt's the only one you really need an impact for. Because if not, the motor just spin on you. Move that. Oh, I see it now. 4 years, guys. I'm sorry. My brain went a little mush there for a second. I still can't get it. Okay. Lay that up out of the way. Lay that out of the way. That goes to the reservoir, which I think that's a Ian Milson down there. 10 mil back here and against the wall. Right there. I don't know if you guys see what I'm seeing. Right there. 10 mil. And there's one at the bottom. Yep, one at the bottom. And I needed my adapter extension. And I gotta run to the toolbox as soon as I have it after all. And guys, sorry, that would have took forever. Let me get the lower one now. Lower one I don't need extension. There's a lower one down here too. I don't even remember all this bottle being removed for the. I don't even remember removing this bottle. That one's pretty simple. Then you guys just ask yourself how you get yourself into these mess. The bottom one I didn't need to fully take out. Oh, and you guys just kissed the van. Like I said, there's hardly any room to put you guys. I am sorry. Oh. Man, I wish there was a better spot to put you guys. Come on. Release my van. Let's see. Gotta be a better spot for you guys. Yeah. Maybe. Nah. There. You guys just took a little ride with me. Okay. Now what we need to do is disconnect that one. Yes, I got aftermarket bullcrap in the way. So don't worry, you guys won't have it. But when I'm done, it's going to be rerouted. And I've also got to fix it. Hold on. Is there another? Yeah, there. Wait. I don't remember. There's no way I took this bottle out before. Yeah, I did take this bottle out. Huh. Been years, guys, years. There's another 10. There's another tin back here that's buried behind all my garbage. Man. Well, I prefer that than anything else. Yeah, there's a tin sitting back here. I guess it's a firewall. Got it moving. Yeah, she's got her out. I don't remember. Like I said, I don't remember any of this. I know if you look, search my YouTube video on my YouTube page, it says best way to pull this. Damn, seems like a lot of work. Okay. Water bottle? No, I dropped it down like that. No, I did not remove this water bottle last time. Like, I knew. Yeah, 'cause there was no room. Yeah. I never messed with that. I just dropped it right through with the water bottle in the way. I believe. You know, guys, I gotta check that video. I don't remember. Makes an old man's mind think away. And that's why I removed that bracket. Because there's legally no room to pull that through. That's why you got to move that bracket out of your way. I'm going to have to get on my YouTube page, search that crap video, and see how I did this alternator back then. But I know this bracket's got to be removed. This alternator will not move without that bracket in the way. There's no way. Now without moving the motor, and I'm not shifting the motor, so I'm going to take the bracket. It should be a 15. Yeah, I knocked the 15 loose. There's more room here. I'm going to bring it right through here, guys. That's for ratcheting 15. Yeah, there's literally no room to pull that alternator through with that bracket in the way. It's physically impossible. It's physically and mentally impossible to go through that hole. Okay, my 15 is MIA. Nope, there it is. Yeah, basically, it's physically, mentally impossible to go through that. Huh. Just throw my tools. The only way you're going to physically get through that hole is by rocking this motor. And I got brand new melts, and we are not rocking this motor. Okay. Now there should be only one. The one? Yeah, 115 right here at the back of this motor. See if I can get a hold of it with a Pt.4 I'm not stupid when it comes to this van, but I am going to look back on how I pulled this alternator last time. Because now it's got me questioning it. Got me questioning like a dog. Oh, what do I do? Dumb fucking dogs. That's why I removed this bracket last time for. Because now I remember. I'm remembering as the time goes on. But I don't think I removed that water bottle. I think I slid it right between the water bottle. But there's stuff I have to do behind it anyways. So it's no real big loss. I have to fix my vacuum line to my HVAC system anyways. To be honest. I need the smaller 15. That bracket should be free. Unless I'm missing another bolt. Nope, she's free. Ooh. Yep. You got a 15 here and two 15s here. And don't crack your windshield while you're at it. Yeah, I didn't remove that. I swear to God I didn't remove that. Yeah, there's that. Oh, you also got to remove your tensioner anyways till you get that out. And the van gave birth. But I know this was removed. Yeah, because that water bottle. Let's go and give me the. No, I did not remove that water bottle, guys. So this water bottle did not get removed. I did it. No, there's no physical possible way that water bottle can come out of that hole. Or did I remove that water bottle? No, there. Or did I? No, that water. Oh. Give me the baby. Give me the baby. Give me the baby. Give me the baby. Huh. Now this is a puzzle. Did I or didn't I remove the... Huh. No, it didn't. Because this bar... Yeah, that is going to have to... Oh. Okay, I think I got it. I think. I'm losing my freaking mind. Okay, those are all 13s. Okay. Van, where do you do to my 13? Right there. Yes, this bar's got to come out. I got a lot of aftermarket garbage hooked to it, too, which it sucks. Yeah, I got a lot of crap hooked to that aftermarket bar. That bar, man. I always knew that was a bad idea how I had that all bolted in there. Now that bar can slide out. Okay. I think I'm getting somewhere, guys. I think. Now this. Nope. Huh. Alright, time out. I gotta check my old video. Okay, looked at the video, guys. Gotta slide this back a little bit. So I did have this bottle out according to my video. A very, very long time ago. Jesus. Don't it suck when you get old and you don't remember how you did things? But of course, you know, there's some moron idiot on YouTube that thinks he's got to know all about these vehicles. That he could do it in 45 minutes by jerking the motor backwards and blah, 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 blah. Okay. There. I knew that had to be removed. God, I'm just getting old. I can't remember everything, guys. Okay. Plenty of room now. Oh. was the old. Now this alternator's getting wore out. Yep, this is a take apart alternator if you guys wondering. Yeah, and I'll show you guys. Remember this part number, 8245A. That I'll show you guys. Now the major difference between the Dad's Pontiac Bonneville alternator, and before I do this, and the van alternator. Physically, there's nothing different except from going back down to a stock alternator, 105 amps, compared to going higher. Now, if you guys look at the clocking, see where this is at, see where this one's at, just clock different, and see where this is sitting at, and compare to this. Yeah, who cares where this is clocked? But for now, we're going back to a stock amperage until I get the money up and get another alternator. Didn't cost me for an alternator. Dad bought this, so technically, I'm not buying an alternator. My dad did. I just warranted it out. And we're going to throw it on the van. Okay, come on. There. Okay. Now, take your bracket that he took off. Lift the alternator. Oh. Before I lift the alternator, I need to pop this back in place. If you guys have a tight alternator that will not go in, it's because of this. Okay. And I'd actually hit it with something solid. I moved it back in, guys. Okay. Now lift your alternator, slide the bracket in. That sucker's still not good enough. Okay. We can fix her. We'll fix anything now. Looks like you're going to get it moved in. Okay. One more. Third time's the charm for this. What I'm doing is fitting the alternator, making sure it's fit. Yep, she's good. Okay, there's one bolt started. The second one, and my third. The longest one goes to the back. I forgot something, guys. Wonder why it wasn't lining up. You guys didn't tell me. I forgot a lift bracket. That's kind of needed for spacing. Ah, yeah, buddy. Yeah, the ear pointed out towards the, what you call it, shock tower. back one screwed in for me. Okay, all there, you just lay there. Now there's one longer than the other, so there is 3 different sizes. The shorter one of these two, so you got the long one goes in the bottom or back. The second longest goes towards the upper part of the bracket. And the shorter one goes at the bottom of the bracket. Okay. They're all hand started too. It's good. Good, 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 good. We're cruising now, guys. We're cruising. I need 15. Now I need a 15 deep well, which is on the back, which is right here. Another 15 deep well. Okay, grab my ratchet. Get it tight. Get it tight. Good. Now there should be 2 different bolts on the back of that alternator. Yes, there's 2. Need this long one first. You have to grab hold of your alternator, pull it forward, and slap in your bolt, because you won't be able to do it after it's in the hole. Nope, that ain't the long one. Oh. Can I throw it up here? Yeah. Because you got 2 mediums and 1 long. Okay. Try and get this van back on the road for my mom so she can save some fuel. The medium length goes this way. And then this other 15 without arcing goes clear in the back. That one acts like a shorty. Yeah, I got a short one in the back, my bad. So it's got 3 different lengths. So this is for the tensioner then. Has to be. Now I need my stubby 15 millimeter, and we're going to be wrenching for a little bit. So anybody asking about buying a van, don't do it unless you can afford to take it in the shop and let somebody else do it. I swear to God, Chevy, I swear to God, the engineers at the Chevy plant, I swear to God, they're sitting there having an orgy at the table, see how crammed they can make a motor and a chassis. Now I'll be here for the next 5 minutes trying to get a free bolt tightened up. That's 15 Chevy, so I got to place the right. Sucks you gotta do a blindfold, guys. Oh yeah? Yeah, that's okay. Let's put it this way, guys. If you want to know how it feels to tying up a bolt in a blind hole, put a blinders on and try to change the spark plug without your eyesight. The only thing you go by is just fish and fill. No, better yet. No. Spark plug's too easy. Need something with a wrench and make it harder. Trying to think here. Okay, here's a good one. Take a Chevy truck, an older one, and try to take the bell housing bolts off with a wrench with the blindfolds on. That's basically how this bolt is. Well, I finally got a hold of it. Yeah, got a second turn. Now I'm getting it. Oh, have it. Now, a lot of you guys are probably asking while I'm sitting here goofing off on a freaking bolt, why did I change the alternator, 2 pulleys, and a tensioner when I only had 1 pulley making noise? Well, if you guys know anything about my channel with this van, it don't end just with one item. If I change just 1 pulley, I'll be changing the second one in a day or 2. And I'll be changing that one out. If I change that one out, I'll be replacing the other one. If I don't, and when I get done replacing that, I'll be replacing an alternator again. So why not do it now? Well, you got it all apart. Do it now. Get the headaches over with, get the crying over with, and go on your merry way. That's why I did it. Because personally, I don't want to be back underneath this van. Me and this van, we don't see eye to eye. So I did the upper and lower intakes and head gaskets on it, turned around, and had to go put a second-hand lifters and push rods and rocker arms in this van. Then once I got that fixed, was driving it, ended up putting a water pump, thermostat, and radiator in it. Yeah. We won't talk about everything else that broke after that. One of these vans, you do a little bit of repair, you're going to do a lot more than that. So you might as well do all the preventive maintenance as it stands right now. This van's a prick. This is like the front end when Dad and I were trying to fix the front end before Christmas. We ended up doing a whole lot more than what we wanted to do on the front end. We spent 2 weeks chasing the front end trying to get the alignment back in. Because somebody duck walked the front end. And I did find a missing video of me putting struts on the front end of the van. Yeah, that, telling you guys, that ain't fun. So like I was trying to get the wheel bearing off, ended up putting the whole freaking knuckle on. So yeah, a little bit of repair ends up being a whole lot worse than what it started out to be, guys. Welcome to my world. Yep, that's why I'm doing all this. To prevent this mother lover from having any issues when I bring it back out of the ground. So I've been tight. This acts like a 10 mil nut. Should be a 10 mil for it around here. At 7/16. Yeah, I had that 10 mil. Right there. Yes. Okay, I got the 10 mil now. Yep, and it physically plugs in too. Like I said, guys, these alternators for GMs in the early 2000 millennium years, they're all same freaking alternators. You think Chevy's going to make 500 different alternators for every one of their vehicles? Jesus, guys, you thought that? You guys got another thing coming. Welcome to Chevy world. Why do you think a freaking Chevy don't last more than 2 years before you're actually dumping money back into them? You guys had another thing coming if you think Chevy uses the same parts. Chevys ain't like Fords that uses parts for one specific vehicle, and then when they're done making that specific vehicle, they end up throwing the freaking blueprints away, and there's no aftermarket support. Yep, Chevy's not like a Ford. Welcome to Chevy land. That's why you think you can get parts for a 40, 50, 60-year-old Chevy for? Chevy's been doing that for a long time, guys. Pontiac Bonneville 3800 fits a Chevy Adventure, Pontiac Montana, and the old Chevrolet 3400 motors. Just an FYI for you guys. Now, since this is going to be a bonus clip to this thing, we have to fix an airline that my dad busted. Okay. Oh, so that's wrapped into the harness, right? Yeah, oh, let me... Oh, so that's ABS wire, okay. Yeah, it's wrapped in the... Okay, so I need to go here then. Maybe. Yep, there we go. Okay. We're going to have to change that line out now. Give me a minute, guys.